As you may know, a car battery is an essential component of your vehicle. It provides the power to start the engine and keeps the electrical systems running. Over time, the battery terminals can become corroded, which can affect the battery's performance. To clean the terminals, use a mixture of baking soda and water. Apply the mixture to the terminals and use a wire brush to scrub off any corrosion. Rinse the terminals with water and dry them with a cloth. The other alternative would be to use WD-40, that is, spraying some of it on the terminals and cleaning them with a toothbrush. Keep your battery charged. If you do not use your car often, the battery can lose its charge. To prevent this, start your car at least once a week and let it run for a few minutes. Alternatively, you can use a battery charger to keep the battery charged. Check the battery fluid level. Most car batteries require regular maintenance, which includes checking the fluid level. To check the fluid level, remove the caps from the top of the battery and check the level of the fluid. If the level is low, add distilled water to the battery. Avoid draining your battery. To avoid draining your battery, turn off all electrical systems when you're not using them. This includes the lights, radio, and air conditioning. If you have a bad habit of leaving your lights on, consider installing an automatic shut-off switch. If the battery isn't secured properly as it should be, it can vibrate and become damaged. Make sure the battery is securely fastened to its mount to prevent any damage. By following these tips, you can extend the life of your battery and prevent any unexpected breakdowns. My name is Arthur. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Kindly like, share, and subscribe.